What questions do you have for me before we start? No questions?
Yeah, I had a question real quick.
Go ahead.
Uh, you know how we have to do the harmonization one?
Yeah.
I think for like 612, I'm not really sure like how to do that one.
Yeah, 612 is a little hard, isn't it?
Yeah, I got confused.
Do you have a page number on that?
Let me look real quick.
Actually, let's start on page 65 and let's see if this answers your question.
Okay.
I wanted to go over some harmonizations today, where we're at in the book, and then we can hop forward if that helps or if it doesn't help. Gilbert, how are you? He's just joining audio.
Well,
How you doing, Gilbert?
I'm good. Thank you.
Good. All right, so everyone's here but Vianda, right? Okay. So I'm on page 65 in my book, and I wanted to introduce... Did we do this last time? You're going to have to help me. We talked about fake books last time, right? And I showed you, and we looked at real books and fake books. But I don't know that we did this example, though, did we? Or did we? Does this look familiar? My brain is fried at this point.
Yeah, we did that.
We did it. Did we do number 2?
I don't think we did.
I don't
that
think
one.
we did number 2. I think this is right where we're at. All right, so we've got how many different chords to worry about here? We've got the A major chord, the G major chord, the E major chord, and the D major chord. Are you able to find all those chords? Let me do a new screen share so you can see everything. And then on top, I'm going to throw my camera. So you can see what I'm playing. Okay. A major. Do we know A major? It's just your 5-finger pattern. But in the right key, hopefully. And then G major. G major is an all white 5-finger pattern. Taking 4 and 2 out. What about D? What do we know about D? What's my color configuration for D?
White, white, black, white, white.
Good, Harley. White, white, black, white, white. Take 4 and 2 out, so it becomes white, black, white for the triad. And then what do we got to do? E. What's E? E is white, black, black, white, white. Take 4 and 2 out. We're also left with a white, black, white triad. Makes sense? So our melody's in 3/8. Let's clap and count the rhythm. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Pi, 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 pi. So rhythm's not terribly hard. What kind of what key are we in?
A.
A major. We know from our key signature, last sharp is G sharp, sharp up. We get A. We are in an A major 5-finger pattern, and we never leave it. How do we know that we never leave it? They never give us a what? They never give us a finger number. When they give us a new finger number, we know that we have to move hand positions, but we never get one. So we are just in a 5-finger pattern the whole time. So I'm going to go ahead and play this melody. Play it along with me if you'd like. 1, 2, 3, here I go. Thumb on A. Step up, step up, step down, step up, step up, step down, step down, step down, step up. Line 2, 5 on E. Same note, step down, same note, step down, step down, step down. So that's not too bad, right? And they tell us exactly which chords to play. So we are going to play A, and then G, and then A, and then E, back to A, then to D, then to E, and back to A. So let's put those together. Slow. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Thumb on A. Step up, step up, step down to the G chord. Step up, back to A. Down to the E chord. Pinky on E in the right, A chord. Same note. Down to the D chord. Same note in the right to the E chord. Step down, step down, step down with the A chord. How did we do? Uh-oh. I saw thumbs down. What can I do to help you? Questions, comments, concerns, private messages in the chat. Just need a little bit more time with it. Okay. All right, so this harmonization was nice in the fact that they give you exactly what chords to play. You just got to go find them. So your question was on, remind me, 6-.
6-12.
Do you know what page it's on?
154.
Page 154, 6-12. Nice. All right. Now, they're telling you to use the broken hand accompaniment. I'm telling you, you don't have to. So we're just going to ignore that part, okay? That should make life a little bit easier. Now, this is where this one gets tricky. This one gets tricky because the right hand does not start in a D major 5-finger pattern. If the right hand started on a D, in a D 5-finger pattern, we would have our 2 be on E. But that's not the case. Our 2 is on F sharp. So if our 2 is on F sharp, that means our thumb is on E. And our 3 is on G. Our 4 is on A. And our 5 is on B. So we are in an E minor 5-finger hand position in our right hand. And that throws everybody for a loop. So that's where our right hand is. Now, that's tricky. That's problem number 1. Problem number 2 is we got to remember our rules. Do we remember our rules? They've given us our rules right at the top here. Rules for harmonization. So we're going to play a tonic in the left hand if our right hand melody notes are predominantly scale degrees 1, 3, and 5. Now remember, we're in what key? Our key signature, we are in the key of
G.
Good guess. G would only have 1 sharp. We have 2 sharps. Our last sharp is C sharp. Find our C sharp.
D.
Sharp up, and we get the key of D. So we're in D major. So when we have Ds, when we have F sharps, and when we have A's, we're going to play the tonic triad, which, funny enough, is made out of D, F sharps, and A's. We're going to play the dominant chord when our right hand melody is predominantly made up of scale degrees 2, 4, 5, and 7. Our 2 is going to be E. Our 4 is going to be G. Our 5 is going to be an Our 5 is going to be an A. Our 4 is a G. 5 is an A. 7 is going to be C sharp. Is that right? Is everyone all right with that?
Which page is this on?
Yeah.
This is page 154.
All right, thanks.
So there's our musical alphabet. Here's the numbers that go along with them. Right? Put that right there so we can all see it. Okay, so don't get finger number and scale degree mixed up. While we are using our right hand 2 to play that F sharp, according to my chart here, our F sharp is scale degree number 3. So when we play scale degree number 3, we're supposed to be playing tonic in our left hand. Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right. Measure 3, we have a scale degree 3, scale degree 2, and a scale degree 3. I'm going to stay on my tonic because more are in common with the tonic than are in common with the dominant. All right. Measure 4. I have an A and a G. An A and a G are scale degrees 5 and 4. So what am I going to play there? That matches with my dominant right here. Yes? So I'm going to play my dominant. Next I have a 2 because it's an E. E is 2. Stay on my dominant. Same note. We have a 2, 5 and 4. So we're going to stay on the dominant. And then we come to an F sharp, which is back to tonic. You see what's going on here? Measure 9 is just like measure 1. This all repeats, doesn't it? Until measure 13 changes. Here I've got an E, which is F sharp. Here I have an E, which is 2, an F sharp, which is 3, a G, which is 4. So we have 2, 3, 4. More are in common with our dominant. And then don't forget rule number 3, 4 here, whatever this last little bullet point is. The dominant almost always precedes the tonic at the end of the piece, and you'll find that the numbers match. The scale degree numbers match those chords. Does that help, Alex?
Yeah, it helps a lot.
Okay, so then I want to go over real quick.
Does it always end on a dominant?
It always ends on the tonic for the most part.
Oh.
It ends on the dominant going to the tonic. Dominant almost always precedes the tonic at the end of the piece. So then I want to go over, that's our tonic chord. Oh, let's get in the right key, shall we? Now, our 5 chord looks like that. Our 5/7 adds in a 7th on top, but that's really hard to play. It's hard to play 4 notes at the same time. So they say you might want to use this 5/6/5, which is just C sharp, G, and A. And they tell you to use that because whoa. Because it's really close to your 1 chord. It's only a half step below in your pinky note. Your top note stays the same. And your middle note is a whole step away. I should do it this way. So when you move from your 1 chord to your 5/6/5, top note stays the same. Middle note goes up a half step. I totally did that wrong. And bottom note moves down a half step. So we move 2 notes by half steps. So whenever we have a tonic, we're going to play this chord. And whenever we have a dominant, we're going to play this chord. So let's go ahead and clap our right hand rhythm. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Pi, 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 pi. Pi, 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 pi. You all saw that was a tied note, right? So you're only going to play it once, hold it for 6 pies. Let's go ahead and play our right hand rhythm. Our right hand melody. 1, 2, 3. So this is the hard part because we're in the E minor 5-finger pattern. Whoops. Pull up my camera shot there. So we are in an E minor 5-finger pattern, which is white, black, white, white, white. And it's tricky because we're not in the D major 5-finger pattern that we used to be in, that we're used to being in. But so we're going to start with 2 on E. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 2 on F sharp. Same note. Same note. Step down. Step up. Skip up to 4. Step down. Thumb on E. Skip down. Same note. Same note. Up to 4. Step down. Step down. Second line. Same note. Same note. Same note. Step down. Step up. Skip up. Step down. Skip down. Step up. Step up. Skip up. Step down. Leap down to 2 on C sharp. Step up with our thumb under to D. One more time. I'm going to start with 2 on F sharp. Here we go. Same note. Same note. Step down. Step up. Skip up. Step down. Skip down. Same note. Same note. Leap up to 4. Step down. Step down. Same note. Second line. Same note. Same note. Step down. Step up. Skip up. Step down. Skip down. Step up. Step up. Skip up. Step down. Leap to 2 on C sharp. Thumb under to D. And we lost all of my notes. How did that happen? There they are. Whew. Saved. Let me erase some of this stuff so we can go ahead and play this harmonization. Let's just real quick try playing the 2 chords. The tonic and the 5-6-5. I'm going to drop my pinky a half step and I'm going to use my 2 to play the G and I'm going to keep my thumb there. So we have 5-3-1, 5-2-1. That's the easiest fingering to use to go back in between. So 5-3-1 for the tonic and 5-2-1 for the dominant 5-6-5 chord. Got it? All right, here we go. Hands together, really slow. 1, 2, 3. 2 on F sharp. Same note. Same note. Step down. Step up. Now we're going to skip to the 4 and play the 5-6-5. Step down. Skip down. Same chord. Same chord. Same note. Same in both hands. Leap up to 4. Step down. And back to our tonic. Everything's the same. Everything's the same. Everything's the same. Step down, step up, skip up in the right, go to your dominant. Step down, skip down, step up, skip up, step down, leap to 2, back to D and tonic. Alex, did I answer your question?
Yes, you did. Thank you.
Excellent. Are there other questions? No other questions? Cool. You can always ask in the chat if you're embarrassed. Just send me a private message. No one will know it's you. All right, so that was your last harmonization, is that right? For the badges. Speaking of badges, let's get a badge update. Let's get a badge leaderboard update. Are you ready? I'm so excited for this. I've been waiting all semester for this day. Who is in the lead on the badges? I did some grading this weekend. I gave out some points. Drum roll, please. The Stunning Hamsters in first place. Way to go, Stunning Hamster. No one else has points? Really? Who else has put in a video that I haven't graded? Harley, I graded yours. You had to fix one thing. I think you left one key off or something.
Yeah, I was wondering, can I put that key into the all black keys because I don't have to re-upload the other video.
You could do that, or you can just write a comment. Yeah, either way, just let me know. That's fine. Okay. Has no one else recorded a video yet, or did I not? Did I miss some on the grading?
I did mine, but I put mine on private on accident. I didn't.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how to check my name.
Say again?
I don't know how to check my badges.
Okay, in Canvas, on the left side, where it says Home, Conference Zoom, Announcements, Assignments, Discussion, all that, go to the very bottom where it says Badges. I can also private message you your name if you want. Let me read off all of our names. Are you ready? This is in no particular order. It's not alphabetical or anything. So we have the Stunning Hamster, who's in first place with 3 badges. And then it's a tie for second with all of you with no points. We've got the Methodical Centipede, the Elated Lark, the Symmetrical Penguin, the Elegant Panda, the Mechanical Lark. So we've got an elated lark and a mechanical lark. We've got the gregarious vampire bat, the encouraging anteater, the meritorious cheetah, the prudent goldfish, the vivid flamingo, the daring badger, and the colorful stegosaurus. Now, I believe if you don't like your name, you can hit, there's a little icon with arrows by it, and it will change your name, but I think you can only do it one time. And if you can't do it, I can do it. So if you can't do it and you want to change your name, let me know and I'll hit the button and you can get a new name. So, way to go, Stunning Hamster. Nice work, first place. Let's see if anybody gets some badges done the next couple days. Questions on badges?
Mr. Baskin?
Yeah, go ahead.
You said all the stuff we have to turn in like on video, it's on your YouTube channel, like to practice.
Well, no, not necessarily. I have class videos that covers it all.
Yeah.
You'd have to go watch all. Oh yeah, all my class videos are up. Do you want to? Is that what your question is? Where to get those videos?
Just like all the assignments that we have to do and turn in on Canvas, like
Okay,
the videos of us playing.
Let me go to Canvas and let me get in student mode.
Okay.
And then I'll show you everything. How's that sound? Am I sharing my screen?
No.
Okay. So I don't think it will let me do, if I go to badges and I'm in student mode, let me maximize my screen. It'll show me all my badges that I got to get done. And they're all grayed out because I haven't earned any of them.
Okay.
Once I am awarded a badge, they will turn to color.
Okay.
So right now, if you click on badges, that's what you see. Now, also when you're on badges, you can click on Leaderboard. And Leaderboard will show you who's in what place, I think. I'm not sure. I haven't done it in student view, so let's see. It's thinking about it. Anyway, while it's thinking about that, I'm going to go home. And when I go home, I have all these modules. And some of these modules, we didn't have any badges associated with them, like a welcome letter and a musical alphabet and learning the white key chant. But once you start getting down here, when you see complete one item, that has a badge associated with it. So these are all the assignments that you need to do to get a badge.
Okay.
So let's say 5-finger patterns and white keys. Let's look at that one. So if I click on the assignment part with the piece of paper with the pencil, there's a place for me to submit that assignment. So in order to do that submission, I either put in a YouTube link or I use my video camera on my computer or my phone to record a video of me playing the white 5-finger patterns. And once you do that, it'll send me a message saying, hey, you have something to grade here. And then I'll view the video and grade it. And if you get all the points, then you get your badge. If you need to fix some, I'll say, hey, you missed one, please fix it. And then you'll just do the same thing until you get the badge. Does that make sense?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. So while I don't think this is ever going to load. I don't know that it will load on the student, but I can.
Wait, Mr. Bascom, it says I only uploaded 4 of them, but I've already completed like 6.
Let me see what's going on my end. Did anybody else have issues?
A lot has to do with the browser that you're on, too.
That's what I'm wondering.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't work if you're on Safari. It only works if you're on Chrome.
And that's what I'm on, but this is weird. So I am not sharing the screen, true?
True.
All right. Let me leave student view. Go into my grades. Yeah, Marissa, I've got that you put stuff in too. I have the one that Ronnie did, and I have one that Vivian did. So why does Badges hate me? I've had more trouble with Badges this time around. Okay, Ronnie, looks like you fixed yours, so I can see that and grade that now. Good. The prudent goldfish is in first place on this page. Where did that go? Come back. And this one also has third place as going to, there we go. It hadn't synced. So the prudent goldfish is in first place and the stunning hamster is in second. And we have a tie for third place with the elated lark and the meritorious cheetah. Both have 1 badge. There we go. Cool. So it's working finally. You just had to sync or something. Way to go, goldfish,
Oh,
hamster,
I know
lark, and
why.
cheetah.
One of your assignments doesn't have a URL submission link.
Oh, which one? I'll fix that right now.
The minor 5-finger pattern black keys. So I posted on YouTube, but I didn't submit it.
Okay,
That's what's
let
wrong.
me fix that right now. Minor 5-finger black keys.
Yeah.
Edit. It does on my end. You said minor 5-finger pattern black keys? Oh, I see. I see what I did wrong. Okay, should be fixed now. Other questions?
Yeah, I had one more quick question.
Yeah, go ahead.
For the concert report, I know we touched on it like last time,
Yeah,
but is there like a recommended video you could like send us or something?
sure. Yeah, I can make you a list.
Okay.
Absolutely. I was just talking about this with my piano 2 class, and they asked the same question. So yeah, I'll make you a list.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I'll put an announcement up when I get that done. Question, Isabella, you have a question?
No, I just logged on again because my.
Oh, okay. Welcome back. I picked up a keyboard to try to figure out what's wrong with yours, but I haven't figured it out yet, how to transpose it
Okay.
so that yours matches mine. Is it driving you crazy?
A little. Sometimes I feel like I'm playing the wrong key, but.
Right. That's why I want to get it fixed. So when I was at campus last week, I picked one up specifically to solve this problem. So I will figure it out and let you know.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sorry. Her keyboard is transposed, and so it's one key off. So whatever I play, it's one key off, and so that would drive me crazy. We got to fix that. All right. So we're good on our videos. Start making those. Catch up with the goldfish and the hamster. Go ahead.
Do we also have an assignment on the, what was it? The triads, augmented, diminished, minor, major.
Yes, that's called chord progression. Page 98, chord progression.
Oh, okay.
So on Canvas for that, I think I do have a video. Gilbert, you were asking, where are my videos? So if I have a video, it will show up in the module, but I don't think I have very many to start. But let me show you where I have them. So here on chord progression, page 98 chord progression, I do have a video of me playing it. So if you click on that, it should take you, actually, that one might not work. I think I had to repost it down here. Yeah, if you click on that, it'll take you to my Doc B Piano YouTube channel, which I'm sure you've all liked and subscribed a million times.
The comments. I hope I pass tomorrow.
Yep. So here on my YouTube channel, I have every single one of our classes from day 1 of week 2. Actually, day 1, I have all of our classes on here. That's not true. Piano 1, week 2, day 1. From week 2 on, I have every one of our classes with the picture of me in the green shirt. Cool. 2 days ago, I put our last class period, and already 5 people have viewed it. That's how popular I am. 102 subscribers. We're well on our way to 1,000. Ronnie's going to give me a shout out on TikTok, and everyone's going to start following me.
It'll happen, I promise.
So then I have some videos of some of the chord progressions on here. And so I've linked those up. Cool. Gilbert, does that answer your question?
Yeah, thank you.
All right. think that's probably the only one where I have until the second half. Once we hit the second half, I got a lot more videos linked. But for the first half, I don't have very many. So me going over everything is going to be all in the YouTube channel videos. If you click on them, the description tells you what I did. So in this video, we went over all the pieces for the midterm exam. So I tried to put the title on the screen, what we did in class, but it's still kind of hard to see. In this video, we went over home notes, melody reading, and the can-can. You remember those days? In this class, we went over the circle of fifths. And in this video, we went over harmonization. So you can see everything that we've done. It's all there on YouTube. I'm trying to profit off of all of you.
Are you not already?
No, you have to hit 1,000 subscribers before I can make any money. I'm stuck at 102.
It's okay. I only have like 3.
By the time I retire, I'll finally hit 1,000 subscribers in like 30 years.
Go post it on your Facebook.
I know. Anyway, I got it posted on my Instagram, my Doc B Instagram. It's just not getting the love, you know? All right. So there you go. You should be able to watch anything we've gone over and start putting in your own videos to get your badges. All right, I wanted to look at a harmonization in minor. So we're pretty much done with Unit 5 now. We've gone through Unit 1 through 5. Remember that homework assignments? How are those going? They're coming up due soon. Hopefully you're on top of those. Okay, on page 82 in your book, there's some harmonization examples, and we're in minor this time. In these examples, they're only having us play the one note versus the chord. You could play the chord if you wanted. But the rules don't change, right? Our rules are the same. What key are we in on 3-17?
B flat?
We would be in B flat
Do you?
if we were in major. Dun, dun, dun. Remember the trick? To find our relative minor, we go down 3 half steps to the left. That's right. So B flat, 3 half steps down. And I'm in G minor. Another trick to help us would be to look at the first note and the last note. In the right hand, it's a B flat, so that's tricky. But in the left hand, it's a G. Also, they gave us the Roman numeral lowercase 1. If we're in minor, we're going to have a lowercase Roman numeral 1. So let's knock this out real quick. They give us a tonic, dominant. What are we going to play here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. So we're going to go to our tonic. Good.
Yeah, Tony.
Here we go. 2, 3, 2.
Dominant.
Dominant. 5, 4, 3, 2. Got to go to the tonic because of that 5, yeah?
Oh.
That one's tricky, though, isn't it? Because you've got so many numbers that go to both. Here's what I would say. It's kind of a symmetrical thing. We have 4 measure phrases, or we have 2 measure phrases. So when we start a new phrase, oftentimes we're going to go back to our tonic. So we're back to tonic. This is the same as this one, pretty much. So we're going to stay on the tonic. And then we know our rule is that we go dominant to tonic at the end. We are in a G minor 5-finger position, starting with our 3 on B flat. Let's clap and count the rhythm real quick. 1, 2, ready, go. Pie, apple pie, apple pie, apple pie, pie, apple, apple pie, 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 apple pie, 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 apple pie, apple, apple, apple pie, pie, apple, apple pie, 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 pie. All right. We're starting with 3 on B flat. 1, 2, ready, go. 3 on B flat. Step up, skip down, step down, same note, step up, leap down to thumb on G, up the scale, skip down, step up, step down, leap up to 5 on D, step down, step down, step down, step down, step up, step up, step up, step up, leap down to 2 on A, step up, skip down, leap up to 5, leap down to 2, step down to G. All right, let's add our notes in the left, either tonic or dominant. 1, 2, ready, go. 5 and 3. Step up, skip down. Dominant in the left, 2 in the right. Same note. Step up, back to 5 and 1. Step up, skip down. 1 and 2. Step up, step down. 5s. Step down. 5 and 1. Step up. 1 and 2. Step up, skip down, leap up, leap down, and end on 5 and 1 on G's. We are out of time. Let's pick up here tomorrow. We also need to do some sight reading breakout rooms tomorrow, I think, to catch some of you up. So remember Thursday we are having a piece quiz. So make sure you've started and you've got something to show on your piece. See you tomorrow.
Have a good day, sir.
Alrighty.
Home. Get on the back of Mike's more so you're going home because I got to.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.